Dee from Sarah Designs, guys. Today we're going to take apart my big kick and see if we can get these rollers readjusted. Thought I took one out so far, one screw out, and I figured I'd bring you along for the mess. Hopefully it'll work. This thing is so old, I don't even think there's a warranty on it anymore. It says 5/8/13. 2013. It's what, 11 years old? May 8th, it'll be 11 years old. So I'm pretty sure there's no warranty on it anymore. So right now, I don't even know if this is the right things to take off. If anything, I have at least a recording of what screws go where. That did nothing. Does it say anything? It did nothing. Roller here. Do I have to take the whole thing apart? I don't want to do that. This scares me. Okay, those glasses suck. I'm scared to do this. Let me see. What am I supposed to take off? This is attached to this. I'm thinking that all has to come off. Oh my gosh, what am I doing? Somebody said it was the best thing they ever did was to take theirs apart and realign everything. And since I have the Vagabond, which is a really heavy electronic one that kind of works, and I have my little one, and I'm off today, and I don't feel like organizing my stamps or my die cuts, and I don't feel like crafting. I was going to do a fashion show of the Temu stuff. I still have to do that. Okay. But I'm not in a fashion show kind of mood. Alright, this is coming off. Oh, I'm so scared. What if I get it off and can't get it back on? This one doesn't want to come off. bet you these have to come off. Let's try that first. This is probably just for that. Oh my God, I'm never getting this thing back together. Yeah, that's just for that. Get back into here. You need to come. You coming? Yeah, he's coming. Ruh-roh. Got it. Ugh. It's coming, it's coming, it's coming. I'm working up a sweat here. Come on. Come on. Okay. That's that. What is stuck? I'm trying to keep these all separated from each other. This is going to be one of these do as I say, not as I do kind of deals, I think. Okay. Apparently. Hi, Taco. Taco, can you just say hi? Hi, honey. Hi. All right. All right. All right. All right. Sit down. I'm taking something apart here. We're performing surgery. Oh, that takes that out. All right, so this side has to come off. Which I'm guessing now means this has to come off. Which... hopefully... that doesn't work. That's not working. Oh. Why? 2 screws in there. Let's try and stick this little guy in there. This little guy's been loose. It's got a little washer with it. Okay. I don't know what that does. Okay. The handle had to come off for sure. What is stuck under here? Did I break it? Okay. This is what the... Oh my gosh. Off and that's off. This one, let me put a mark on it. This one goes to this one. Let's see what we did. Okay. That's that. This thing comes off. That one goes there. This thing is filthy. Does this just slide off? Oh, look at how filthy. Oh. That's that. Okay. Let's clean this up a little bit. Yet. Oh, paper towel. There we go. This is kind of buckled out. All I'm doing is trying to clean out the crap. I honestly have no clue what I'm doing. How do you tighten this stuff? Does this have to come off? It's full of gunk. I don't know why. I seriously have no idea what I'm doing now. I'm just, you know what? I don't want to take it any further apart. I know a lot of you guys are probably yelling at me right now, telling me that I shouldn't have taken it apart. goes there. You go on you. So that's not right. Oh, that clicked into place. Does anybody remember where this goes? Do these go first? Yep. They go first. Alright. Let me see here. This might be one of those things where it just stays apart now. It's apart and it never gets put back together. Where do you go, mister? You gotta go just... My hoodie's coming off. Who thought this was a bad idea? Me. Who didn't talk me out of it? Me. Got a little, there we go. Oh, yay. Yay. Let's not do this again. Pray. It's got this little tabby thing here, is what I'm trying to stick in there. Once you get that in there, you got it aligned. Listen to me like I'm a pro. You know what? I want to stick these screws in here first. Sure, which ones go in which one? They're the big ones. Dude, that's not you guys. Where's you? You're you. Here you are. No? Yeah. Don't do this at home. Now I lost a screwdriver thingy. What was that one for? I don't know. This one goes in here, huh? I'm going to put this side in first. That way it won't pop out. Now, let's put this one in. That one went in easy peasy, lemon squeezy. How super cool would it be if I get it all together and it cuts really, really good? That would be amazing. Truly amazing. All right, let's get you in there. At least it's clean now. I should have put this one in first. Trying to line up the pegs. Okay. I did not see how to realign the things, unless I was supposed to go even further in with it and do something with the wheels, take them off and put them back in, which I'm not comfortable doing. So, at least it's clean. That piece isn't going in, but it's in for now. I don't think this piece matters right now. Arrow, arrow. See, good thing I did that. Mother. This has to go. Will it fit over it? Nope. Why didn't somebody tell me? I guess that little screw was trying to tell me, no, don't put me in yet. You're missing a piece. Yes, that's how the screw talks. Okay, bye-bye. That piece goes in first. See, I thought I was going to get smart. Shortcut, if you will. I've been better off just organizing my stamps. I don't know why I tried to be this kind of creative today. Ay, now I do this again. Let's at least stick you in there. I seriously, legit worked up a sweat here. You know, I'm going to go get, after I put this together, that infamous spiderweb die. From Temu. Let's see if I can get it to work after all this. Shh, you're making too much noise. You're very loud. The baby's sleeping. There's no babies in my house. No babies, just kitty cats and dogs. And my man. I'm missing a foot, which I keep finding feet off of things. So I keep putting them up here. And I don't know where this one is. I don't know what those are for. Alright. That's that, that's that. 4 of you. They were you. I think I have some extra screws, guys. Damn it, do I take this apart again? Guys, I got 1, 2, 3 more extra screws. For real, where are they from? Okay, you guys, there's 4 there. Okay. I thought I'd have to take it apart again. Always got to do opposites, what I was told. My dad was a mechanic and a carpenter. My late husband was too, a mechanic. And they say you always got to go opposites when you're screwing stuff in so that it goes in evenly. And that's what I'm doing. Today is President's Day here in the US. It's Monday, February 19th. And I have off today. So happy President's Day to everybody who celebrates. Hope you're having a good day off if you're off. My friends son, he's 8. He's in 2nd grade. Friday, we work from home on Fridays. A girl, my friend, we work together. So Fridays she's at home, and her son gets up, and she gets him ready, or he gets himself ready for school, and yada, yada, yada. I took this out of here, didn't I? Anyway, he gets ready for school. She gets everything together. They get in the car, drive to the school, and she's noticing there's no buses. She's thinking, oh my God, we're really late. No kids, no teachers, no cars in the parking lot. And her son says, she's like, what the heck? And her son starts laughing, and he says, ha ha, gotcha, Mom. We don't have school today. And then he says to her, you really have to learn to read the school calendar, Mom. That kid kills me. Too funny. Alright, things are clicking. So, I got a chuckle out of it. She didn't think it was funny. I did. She said he was so excited. He told her he didn't sleep much the night before because he was so excited he couldn't wait to play the trick on her. That's so funny. That wouldn't have been my kid. Sarah would not have. If she knew she had off the next day, she would have told me, I'm off tomorrow. Read the calendar, because she likes to sleep. Oh, that wasn't supposed to happen. Alright guys, we got a lot of crap out of it. Look at it all. Can you see all that crap? Alright. I'll be right back. I have to go to the dye I want to try is downstairs. I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back. I'm going to turn this way. Yes. Maybe we'll try some new plates. Let's do that. Caps. That will help. The infamous die. Put the metal plate down. Magnetic plate. A clean plate. Another clean plate. I'm going to get a thicker cardstock. Let's see, perhaps it was my cardstock. Somebody had said it might have been. Put this one face up. Let's just pray it at least still works. It's rolling. It's going. Oh my God, shut up. Shut. Guys. I'm going to put it through one more time. It didn't do it 100%. But Are you kidding me? Oh. Hold on, guys. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Oh my God, it worked. So, yay. So, what I've concluded is could be one of three things. Cleaning the wheels, which I don't think that mattered. All I did, you saw what I did. I took it apart, I put it back together again. Heavier cardstock? Possibly. New plates? Possibly. The real test is going to be right now. My regular 65 pound cardstock. And I'm going to cut it down. Will it fit in there? It'll fit. Oh my God, I'm so excited. I don't have my pokey tool here. I'll be back. Let me get this crap out of here. Alright, I got that out. So. How is this even supposed to work? It's supposed to go. Alright, I'm going to use the crappy ones. Oh. Dum-dum. Oh, I'm so excited. Let's see if this works with the crappy ones and the regular paper that I've been using. See if just the wheels work. Oh, she's tight. Okay, let's bring her back. Okay. Not so much. Stick her back in. Oh, I hear her cracking. Bring her back. My whole desk is shaking. Are you kidding me? Guys. My old ratty plates. 65 pound cardstock. A couple pieces have to come out, but oh my God, that worked. I'm not saying to take yours apart. I'm not. Definitely not saying. Disclaimer, disclaimer. Do not. I'm going to try this one now because this one I had trouble with too. However, I am saying that worked for me. You gotta be kidding me. Excuse my French, but holy moly. You see that? Taco, look. Ugh. That's a hard one too. Let's do one pass and see what we're looking like. Split. Oh, I should have taken that frame piece off. My God, guys. I cannot. I can't believe it. Remember this one? We just did this one. Oh my gosh. We did this one in the last video. I'm okay with running it through twice. That I don't have a problem with. It's when you gotta run it through and move it, and then run it through again and move it, and run it through again. Then I have a problem. Uh-oh. She's breaking apart. She's coming apart. You see? There we go, there we go. This might be too tight. I should have taken out that metal shim. Are we trying to break this thing, Dee? What's going on here? Oh, guys. It worked. That was a little tight, though. Oh my God. It actually worked. I'm in shock. I didn't even have to take it all the way apart. I just took it apart, wiped it down with paper towel. Nothing on it, just a regular paper towel. And then we put it back together. Maybe putting it back together tightened things up a little bit. I don't know. All I know is that this finally works. And I'm so happy. Again, guys, disclaimer, do not do what I just did. Do it at your own risk. I'm not saying you should or shouldn't do it. I will not be responsible for anybody's machine if you do try it. My thought process was I was in need of a new one anyway. This one is 11 years old. It's been well loved, and I was going to get a new one. So, now I don't have to, but I'm not saying something you should do. So please don't come at me if you do it and you break yours. I'm just showing you what I was going to do, or what I did. Anyway, guys, if you're not already subscribed, please make sure you do so. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll catch you on the next video. Yay, I'm going to play now. Bye.